Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming account and system readiness. Make sure your invite code and 2FA are active. Once verified, install the 64-bit client and allow any needed permissions. You then open the launcher and enter the invite code exactly as sent. Small typos block access. After you click Join Beta, watch the download queue, pause other large transfers so your connection stays stable. If installation prompts drivers or runtime updates, approve them now, because delaying will stall the next steps. Once done with installation, you move into configuration and authentication. You create your username and set minimal preferences so you can enter the airship quickly. Save time by skipping cosmetic deep dives. Next, link your platform account and confirm the requested permissions. This establishes multiplayer identity and progression. Make sure your router allows UDP traffic and that NAT is open or moderate, otherwise matchmaking and voice can fail. If prompted, run the built-in network test to verify. You now launch the beta client and pick the airship mode, queue or join a live session. While loading, set graphics to balanced and cap to 60 FPS to avoid drops. Enable VSync only if you see tearing. During the match, monitor latency and adjust bitrate or region if spikes occur. If you encounter connection or auth errors, close the client, clear cache, and re-authenticate. Consult the log file for specific error codes, and then contact support with that code if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.